Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Google Maps for offline navigation when traveling or while traveling. Go ahead and open up your Google Maps. All right, let's have an example. I want to now travel somewhere, and I don't have a subscription for cellular data, whatever that might be. Right now, what you're gonna do, you can go ahead and click your avatar icon at the top right next to the mic, and you're gonna see the offline maps. Go ahead and click, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just click select your own map, and then select the location. Right, if you are traveling to another country, you're gonna just select the other country or the other. Let's zoom out. Let's say let's say okay, let's say Istanbul, right? So I'm gonna zoom in on Istanbul, right? Let's say this part. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit download, and I'm gonna just turn on the notification when the map is uploaded, and you can use it whenever you're offline, right? You can select a location, you can navigate from point A to point B in that specific location and all that stuff. And after you download it, you're gonna be able to basically navigate while traveling. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.